Hey guys, it's Jordan and I'm building my volcano project for school. And also some people use soda and Mentos and other people use baking soda and vinegar. But we are the people who's going to be using baking soda and vinegar, but with a secret ingredient. And also I'm building my volcano and I'm going to show you how I'm going to take the cup out and then fill it up with like the baking soda and vinegar and also with the secret ingredient. And we use water and it's also mud. And then we're gonna fill it up now. So it's starting smoking and we already put in like the secret ingredient. And I needed a parent to help so I wouldn't like burn myself or something. And we already put like the secret ingredient, and if we showed you it wouldn't be secret anymore. And it's smoking right now. But that's not the first, but we already put like the secret ingredient. It looks so much like lava on the inside. So cool. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera. I'm gonna start smoking, and also hopefully, like, I don't know if you knew this or not, volcanoes start smoking before they erupt. I wish you guys could see on the inside. It looks so much like magma. Ooh, you guys can see. Never mind. Now we're putting in the baking soda. I already put in the baking soda and the thing that makes it look like lava. And then I'm about to add in the vinegar. I think that's good enough. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa, that's cool. Looks so cool. Yeah. And that's it for my project. It was really